saturated ground, so flooding is going to be a concern. But there's some weather in this forecast for everyone, and that is the good news. A powerful cold front off to the west, that's going to bring some showers and even some thunderstorms later tomorrow afternoon with the potential for a little bit of severe weather. Here's the potential rainfall, 1 to 2 inches, maybe a few locally higher amounts, especially just to the west. So a lot of rain on the way tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And again, that flash flood watch is in effect. Here's the potential for severe weather. A slight risk here in the metro Richmond area, a little higher enhanced threat of severe weather down towards Hampton Roads. The main threat is going to be strong damaging winds in any storms that develop. And again, we're focusing our attention more to the east of I-95 tomorrow. Even in terms of the tornado threat, there's a minimal risk here in Richmond. Not a lot of instability in the air, but there's a lot of wind shear in place. And that's why we may see some of these storms that do form start to get a little bit of rotation in them. And particularly down in Hampton Roads, there will be a bit of a threat late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Here are the numbers today. 51 the high, 27 was the low, so it was a chilly start. And right now we are standing at 46 degrees. The temperature actually dropped to around 40 this evening, and it's been coming up ever since. But look at the change behind this front. Temperatures ahead of the front, 40s and 50s. Behind it, 9 in Minneapolis and 13 in Des Moines right now. We'll be ahead of the front tomorrow with southerly winds, so temperatures soar into the 60s in most locations. Then the colder air comes in tomorrow night into Friday when we'll stay in the 30s. Quite a chill in the air Friday and Saturday. Then a little bit of moderation going into Monday, should reach the lower 50s, cooling back into the lower 40s by the middle of next week. So we track the rain by daybreak. We'll see some showers off to the west. The more significant rain moves into the I-95 corridor by midday, continuing into the afternoon. This might be a few thunderstorms starting to develop along the I-95 corridor by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That line shifts to the east. So again, Hampton Roads, this may be the most significant threat of severe weather into the early evening. Northern Neck down towards Hampton Roads, but there could be a second line. This is likely the actual cold front that comes through late tomorrow night into Friday morning, and notice some snow on the backside of it. We may actually see a flake or two in the air on Friday, especially in the morning and up to the north of Richmond. And then it's all gone. The sun comes out. It'll be rather blustery and cold for Christmas afternoon. A lot of sunshine on the way for Saturday, the weekend. Looking pretty good. So here's how things play out. Overnight, rain chances start to increase by daybreak. Temperatures get up into the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. They continue going up into the 60s during the day with rather gusty winds out of the south. High rain chances by late morning through the afternoon and into the evening, with the possibility for a few thunderstorms as well. Turns blustery, much colder on Friday, maybe a flake or two passing on by. Dry weather through the rest of the holiday weekend. We're real chilly on Saturday. Some places will be in the teens in the morning. Then we start to warm up Sunday afternoon. Next week, pretty tranquil and seasonably chilly.